Welcome to my channel, guys. To everything. Today we're going to go through this news that says Tech4Development to award Nigerians 150 million in DigitalForAll challenge. Tech4Dev to award Nigerians 150 million in DigitalForAll challenge. It's a headline today that Tech4Development, a non-profit social enterprise that creates access to decent work and entrepreneurship opportunity for Africans, has announced an 150 million reward for participants in the DigitalForAll challenge. The initiative, which is being implemented in partnership with the National Information Technology Development Agency NITDA and foreign Commonwealth and Development Office, is designed to reward self-development and encourage the acquisition and use of digital skills through competitive incentive. So I'm going to send the link of this particular news. You go through it so I can know how you can partake of this 150 million that's going to be dispensed to Africans for their self-development in IT. So achieving 70% digital literacy. So if you just go through it, I'm going to send the link here. You can go through it and see how you can be part of what is going on. And you go through it. I'm going to send the link for this particular news and information. If you are in the tech world, if you are into computer science, IT, or you are interested in it, so you have to read the news to know how you can get yourself developed and how you can benefit from this particular fund that have been raised to help Africans. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. To everything, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel and share the video on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.